In this video, I'll detail how to make a group chat on iPhone messages. So if you want to create a group chat on your iPhone messages, whether a group chat for all iMessage users or SMS and MMS users, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if at the end of this video you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to make a group chat on iPhone messages, all you just need to do is open the message app like this, then click on the edit button at top right. Then this is going to initiate a new message. Now you need to select the member of the group you want to add it to the group chat. Here, let me just select my woman, this contact. Then if the person is using iMessage, you should see iMessage here. And if the person is not using iMessage, you're going to see SMS. Then let me add another person. Then you can see these people are using iMessage. Then you can add multiple users to this list that are using iMessage. You can also add SMS users. So let's say I want to add another person. So let's say this user, click on the name. We want to add the next person. You don't know whether the person is using iMessage or not. See, once you see SMS, it implies that the person is not using iMessage. And if you click on any of them that are using iMessage, you will know literally that, okay, this person is using iMessage. Then once you are done adding a list of people to the group chat you want to create, just come here and say whatever you want to say. So it's a trial test. Then once you're done, click on send. Is that the message will be sent to everyone on the group chat. So I have 3 people here. Then this message is going to be sent to all the people on my contacts. Then once I'm done, go ahead and click on the done button like this, and you are done. So that is basically how to make a group chat on iPhone messages. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.